I'm going to teach you how to make your AI to sing with LipSync. App that you are going to use is free to make your AI to sing perfectly like a normal being. Let's move into the teaching right now. The first app we are going to use is ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to create me a young Nigerian girl singing passionately into a handheld microphone. Let the background be a club area. So ChatGPT created this for me. You can see it. Then I asked ChatGPT to make her standing uprightly and add the ratio I needed. So for me to save it, tap on the picture and tap save. The second app we are going to use is the TikTok app. Come over to your TikTok and search for any music of your choice and download it. Let's look for royalty free music. Royalty free music. I'm going to tap on one and download it. I click on this share button and tap on download. Now the video we downloaded, we are going to convert it to a MP3 version. So go to your Chrome browser and type MP3 Converter. If you are gaining value with this tutorial, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. This first one, are you seeing this first one? That is what we are going to tap. You tap on it. You can see the interface. This is how the interface will look like. So choose the file. Tap on this, choose the file. Is it from your device? Anywhere, you tap on it. Or click on this that I downloaded. Then you tap on convert. Click on this convert. It's going to convert it to the MP3 format. Now it has converted. Just tap on this download. It's downloading. It has saved to your file. Go to your Google Chrome browser and type lipsync.video. Make sure you sign in so that you can be given some coins you are going to use to generate it. Make sure you type the singing photo. Then come down here, upload your picture. The picture you created. Upload the picture you generated here. Then come here and type on this model select. This model select, you are going to sing. The music will flow easily. While the second one, it will be faster. So we are going to select the singing photo one. Then come down here. The MP3 music we downloaded. Click here to upload it. You can upload up to 90 seconds. You can upload up to 90 seconds, but this music is not up to 90 seconds. So the coin you are going to use to generate it is 76 credits. You are going to use 76 credits to generate it. So tap on this generate. You see this enable subtitles. I don't need these subtitles because it's going to bring out another subtitle. So I'm going to use my own subtitles. Now you can see it's a close window will stop generation. So go back to my creation. You tap on it and see the creation. Even this creation also is down here. You can also tap on it. It's generating. It has generated. See the download button, just tap on it. It will download. In case you did not see the download button, zoom in, zoom out, touch it till you get the download button by the side. I know with this you have learned how to generate an AI using the LipSync website. A digital skill tutor. On this channel, I share news about AI animation tools that you are going to use 100% free. I teach on digital skill how to use your smartphone to generate money. If you are new here, kindly subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.